Would you like to know how Persian Oriental rug, Persian carpet should be clean? Especially when you're having a dog or cat problem. But even if you have to clean the rug from dirt and soil, what is the best way to clean a Persian rug?
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Think about it. You spend so much money to buy a Persian rug. The whole foundation of the house built on this beautiful Persian rug. The red, the white, the black, the blue, all these colors combined together. Beautiful. The rug look flat, fluffy, shiny, beautiful. And the time come and you have to send it to somebody to clean it. Without any knowledge of cleaning Oriental rug, you believe that every carpet cleaner, everybody can clean the Oriental rug. Everybody clean the Oriental rug the same. It is not true. Allow me to explain to you what is no, 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 what is yes. This is the magic tube. The tube that shows me what the vacuum extract from the Persian carpet in real time. So all the dirt, all the pee-pee, the dog saliva, the cleaning product that you used in the years and stay in the basic of the rug will wash out by our cleaning process, and it will never deposit any unpleasant smell into your rug because our cleaning product is from the Dead Sea. It is odor-free and designed by Mother Nature to kill the bacteria that cause the bad odor. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee video. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? PetPeePee, nationwide service. Thank you for watching.